Welcome guys, so today I am with JVC headphones and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. That's very simple, take a look. At the first, we have to power on our headphones by holding this button. You have to click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking on the red and the blue. Just like that. You will also hear pairing notification. Put them back, so for example right here, and next open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Find your headphones, tap on them once, and accept pairing request. As you can see right now we are successfully connected, and that's how we can make it. That's all. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.